Hi students, now we are into the new chapter nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry. Okay, this is the first lecture of the nuclear chemistry. I hope you are ready with the full josh, and try to understand every concept from the basic, and you will reach up to the advanced level. So here I am going to make you from dash to dash. What is this? Zero to hero in the nuclear chemistry, and here you are going to get which are not available in the market. Okay, so let's start. Normally people will by heart this formula: R is equal to R0 into a to the power of 1 by 3. What is this formula? Radius of nucleus is equal to some constant a to the power of 1 by 3. What is a here? Mass number. But where from this formula came y to the power of 1 by 3? Nobody knows. But I want that you should not be in that category. Okay? That's why which chem is separate from others. Understood? It gives you immense satisfaction when you understand where from it came. Within the time frame, within the syllabus only, everything is covered, but starting from basic level. So let's start the nuclear chemistry lecture 1 with the pressing the like button. If you are new to this channel, press subscribe button and press bell icon to get such more videos when I add in my free time. And let's start with the nuclear chemistry. Okay, so everybody know that radius of atom is measured in which terms? Angstroms. Okay, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power of 1 angstrom is equal to what? 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Okay, so people should surprise, I was knowing only this formula, from where you could come to know about derivation. So you should explain them. I am a subscriber of, I am a student of Chem, where everything is explained neat and clean. Understood? So this is the radius of atom. Now let us take the radius of nucleus. Okay? So here we use the Fermi. Radius of nucleus, what we will use? Fermi. So 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. Now if somebody asks what is the comparison? What is the comparison between our size of nucleus to size of atom, otherwise size of atom to size of nucleus? Then people will write size of atom is 10 to the power of 5 times more than the size of nucleus. That's very wrong. Okay, size means size means volume means to the power of 3. Okay, so volume of atom will be in the range of 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 3, whereas volume of nucleus will be 10 to the power of minus 15 to the power of 3. So this is 10 to the power of minus 30, this is 10 to the power of minus 45. So we can say size of atom is 10 to the power of 15 times more than the size of nucleus. Okay, so from where I got this, is it understood? Now it is a trending what is the trending integer type questions. So they can make size of atom is equal to 10 to the power of x times of size of nucleus. Definitely will write 5. I know this. That is what you are mistaken. Understood? So being a student of Chem, you should never mistake a mistake. Okay, so you should correct it. Is it understood? So finally, with this basic formula only, advanced level question. Okay, size of atom is equal to nearly 10 to the power of 15 times of size of nucleus. Am I correct or not? With proof I told you or not? Like that I am going to derive that formula with proof. Okay, simple. A mass number A is equal to what? Mass number Okay, so mass number, what is mass number? We will take as a number of neutrons, okay, plus number of proton. We will take this like this or not. Normally we will not calculate, we will take the mass of electron, because electron is very small as compared to the proton and neutron, and these two are collectively called as nucleons. What they are called as? Nucleons. Okay, so mass number is equal to number of nucleons. Is it understood? So more nucleons are there, then volume will be increasing or not? So volume of nucleus, which nucleus? Volume of what? Nucleus. Okay, directly proportional to mass number. Directly proportional to mass number, because more number of nucleons, more will be the volume. Is there any problem in this sentence? Basic sentence. Okay, so here I am using this basic sentence. I am going to derive this sentence. All of you noted this or not? If not noted, grab this. This is going to make your life very comfortable, going to give you 4 marks instead of -1 mark. So you will be benefited by 5 marks because of this single line. Okay, so what I told you, volume is directly proportional to A. What is A here? Mass number. Now volume, what is the shape of the nucleus? Sphere. Okay, so shape nucleus can be written as 4 by 3 pi r cube. What it can be written as? 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is here? R? Radius of nucleus, directly proportional to A. Is it understood? So we want that radius of nucleus, directly proportional to 3 by 4 in 3 by 4 pi into A r cube. Is it understood? So this is some constant only, you need not to write. So R is equal to R directly proportional to, once it is proportionality is used, you need not to write all these values. Okay, so A to the power of, if it 3 goes that side, 1 by 3. Okay, now what I will write, R is equal to R0 to the power of A to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, this is constant. What is this? This is constant by taking different atomic numbers, different mass numbers, different radius are determined. How it is R0 is determined, you know, that is also top secret, but it is, I have revealed it for you. Okay, top secrets are revealed at Whichchem YouTube channel. Understood? So not gossips, these are all top secrets of science. Okay, so they have taken radius here, A 1 by 3 here, then y is equal to mx. So this like this from this slope. Okay, so what is this? Y is equal to mx. Slope of this line is r0. Different mass numbers are taken, their radius is measured, from that r0 is calculated. After calculating r0, they found that 1.2 into 10 to the power of -15 meter. So final formula is R equal to R0 A to the power of 1 by 3. What is A? Mass number. R0 is constant, 1.2 into 10 to the power of -15. If you substitute this total value, then what you will get? Radius will be in meter. Radius of nucleus will be in meter. Now if you don't want big this formula, you can write R0 is equal to 1.2. If you substitute, that time R units will be in Fermi. What will be that? 1.2. Depending on what you substitute R0. R0 is equal to 1.2, you will get radius in Fermi. R0 is equal to 1.2, then you will get in the meter. Is it understood? So that is the difference between radius of nucleus and radius of what? Atom. Okay, so everything is revealed, how this formula came, how that R0 calculated. It is a top secret. Inform to your friends so that top secret should not be a secret for your lifelong. Okay, now we are going to find out about the next topic. What is that next topic? Density of nucleus, from basics to advanced. Okay, did I use any different formulas which is not there in syllabus? No, it is there in syllabus only, but that formula is derived by using basic things. Okay. Okay, now I am going to derive it further. Density. Density basic formula. Who can say density is equal to basic formula is mass by volume. Everybody agree or not? Okay. But mass we will call it as a mass number. Mass number when it is multiplied with AMU. Multiplied with AMU. Volume, what I will write? Nucleus is spherical. So spherical, therefore formula will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Is it understood? So I don't think any problem is there. Okay. Now here in this place I am going to do a magic by using the previous formula. Just now I have taught you r is equal to r0 to the power of a to the power of 1 by 3 or not. Okay. So I will bring this and substitute this entire formula this here. Okay. And mass number is equal to A into AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27. Okay. What is this? 1 AMU is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Okay. Now divided by 4 by 3 will be as it is, pi will be as it is. In this place r0 to the power of a by 3, a to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of 3. Okay. So this 3 will cancel this. After this lot of things are happening. All this is going to be here, that will not be cancelled. Otherwise I will do one thing, a into 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 divided by 4 by 3 into pi r to the power of 3 into a to the power of r0 to the power of 3 a to the power of 1. So this and this will get cancelled. Now who don't know anything, pi value you know, r0 already you know 1.2. By substituting all of them and simplifying, I got density approximately 2.2. After substituting and making all calculation, 2.2 into 10 to the power of 17 kg per meter cube. Okay. So this was the density of a nucleus, nearly 2.2 into 10 to the power of 17 kg per meter cube. How the density is derived, how the density is calculated. Everything is interrelated. If I don't teach you this, then you cannot understand how this formula came. Okay. And you are thinking that this much derivation who are going to ask, you can go and cross check with the NCERT question. There is a question related to the iron. Find the density of iron. Okay. You can cross check with it. Nowadays it is not included in the main syllabus, but previously it is included. Therefore everything is in the syllabus only. Okay, noted. Up to here any doubt? So I will make you understand a question. Find density, question of old NCERT. Find density of iron. Okay. Given that mass of Fe is equal to 55.85. Okay, what is this? Units are AMU, which you AMU, and mass number is equal to 56. Everything I think you know this. Is it understood? Now by using this you have to find out. Understood? So procedure already I told you, density rho is equal to mass by volume. Mass by volume. Here mass, what you will take? This mass. Okay. 55.85 AMU. What is the AMU value? I told you 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27. And volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So but here that time these two values I have cancelled. A of this and A of this is cancelled. Now they are not going to be cancelled. Is it understood? Here what I will write, r cube, I will write it as a r0 into a to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, whole cube. Is it understood? Now here in this place I will write 56. R0 how much I will write? 1.2. Is it understood? On simplifying this I will get the actual value. And nowadays days are very bad. They want how much the accuracy? Very good. They want 2 decimal place accuracy. So everything should be, if you neglect and take both of them, your answer is going to be out of the range. Once your answer is out of the range, you will be out of your home. They will tell you, why I have taught you with the best teacher, but still you are not able to cope up. Okay, so small information is very necessary. Is it understood? Make a note of this and solve this to the 2 decimal place accuracy and write answer to me in the comment section. I am not going to do, because I am not going to attend exam. Understood? So this is to be solved by you only, and I will expect most of you will send the answer to the 2 decimal place accuracy to me. Okay? Okay students, after the derivations and questions related to the basic information, we are going to start some new topic, that is terms used. We are going to use some words, their internal meaning. Okay, most of them feel that they know, but some minute information somewhere it might be missed. I am not saying that you may not be aware or you are aware completely, but I will be explaining in such a way that it should be basic to advanced. Understood? First one is isotopes. Okay, isotopes means top should be different. Isotope means top should be different. What is top? It is mass number. What it is? Mass number on the top. It is a memory technique. Okay, top should be different, then it is called as a isotope. What is top? Mass number. Okay, so what is the definition of isotopes? Atoms of same element having same atomic number but different top thing. What is the top thing? Mass. Okay, so isotopes are atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. They are called as isotope. Actually isotopes are produced due to difference in mass number minus atomic number. It is equal to number of neutrons. So here number of neutrons are how many? 0. Here 1. Here how many? 2. Likewise, due to the difference in number of neutrons, isotopes are generated. Okay. So what is the difference in isotopes? Due to the difference in number of neutrons. Like this only I am going to explain each and everything. Okay, carbon got so many isotopes, nitrogen got so many isotopes, but what is same in them? Atomic number is same. What is difference in them? Number of neutron is different. Okay, so isotope definition with lively example with memory technique, I think you understood. Now we are going to start with isobar. Bar means in Sanskrit what it is? It is the mass number. Okay, so what should be the, here we have kept the different mass number. Here what should be the same? Bar should be same. Okay, isobar. So atoms of different element like carbon, nitrogen, 6 and 7. Atoms of different element but having same mass number. Okay, Bar means mass. So iso means same. So same mass. Okay. Bar means in Sanskrit bharam. Bharam means it is mass. So iso bar. So mass should be same. So iso bar example, atoms of different element having different atomic number but same mass number. They are called as isobars. What they are called as? Isobars. What they will have different atomic number, therefore they will be differing in the mass number. What they will be differing in? Mass number. Okay, definition part, is it clear? I am not going to write the definition because it is very basic thing, but how to remember? Isotope, top should be different. Isobar, bar should be same. Bar means weight. Okay. Okay, coming to the next topic, isotones, tone and neutron. Okay, tone means neutron. So neutron should be same. How you will find out neutrons? Here elements also different, atomic number also different, mass number also different. If mass number is same, isobar. If atomic number is same, isotope. But everything is different, then what will be the same? Subtracting 2 minus 1, 1 neutron, 3 minus 2, 1 neutron. Okay. Atoms of different element having different atomic number with different mass number but same number of neutron. Same number of neutron. They are called as isotones. What they are called as? Isotones. Same number of neutron. Example, I think it is understood. Now coming to the isoelectronic. Electronic name itself says same number of electron. Okay. So I will start from helium neon. So neon contains 10 electron. Sodium contains 11 electron. I will make it positive. So 10 electron. Magnesium 12 electron, 10 electron. Aluminium 13 electron, 12 electron. Okay. So wherever extra is there, I will reduce them by giving the minus charge. Okay. Now next coming to neon. Before neon it will be fluorine, 9 electron. I will give 1 electron. Okay. Then before this fluorine, oxygen only 8. It required 10. So 2 minus and 3 minus. Is it understood? All of them are isoelectronic. Okay. Make a note of it. Okay, everything is clearly visible now. Now from left to right there are some changes. Okay, only thing is constant is number of electrons are constant. What are constant? Number of electrons are constant, but not everything. Okay, there is a lot of problems. Number of protons. Number of protons, what happens? Increases. 7 proton, 8 proton, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, number of attracting protons are increasing and what they are attracting electrons are same. So, because of that what happens? Electrons will be pulled effectively here. 13 proton, 10 electron. Whereas 7 proton, 10 electron. Okay. So, it is very difficult here to handle. So atomic size decreases. Size left to right, what happens? Size decreases. Okay, size from left to right, what happens? Decreases, because electron whom they are attracting is constant, but the persons who are attracting are increasing. Therefore, size decreases. Is it understood? So this is what electron constant, proton same. Okay. Any doubt in this one? This is about the isoelectronic. Now we are going to study very important, very difficult topic, isodiaphers. Okay? Isodiaphers are the species which have same excess isotopic mass. What they have? Same isotopic excess mass. What is isotopic excess mass? A minus 2Z. Normally, let us take sodium. Okay. Let us take oxygen. Isotopic excess mass. So here atomic number is 8. Mass number is 16. So this is exactly having double. That means 8 to the 16. So excess, is there any excess? No, excess is not there. But in case of the sodium 11 and 23, it is supposed to have 22, but it is having one extra. That extra is called as a isotopic excess mass. Okay. So the two species, suppose any other particle is there, that excess mass also equal to 1. Then they both are called as isodiaphers. What they are called as? Isodiaphers. Okay. So make a note of it, and how to find out excess mass is understood. Simple, mass number minus 2 into atomic number. If it is correct exactly, then isotopic excess mass is 0. Okay. Suppose 8 protons, 8 neutrons are there, excess mass will be 0. Understood? Make a note of it. Okay, what is the trick to remember? Simply, this is A, this should be A minus Z, and this is 2, this is A minus Z minus 4. Okay, so if it loses alpha particle, then it is going to produce isodiaphers. Alpha emission is going to produce isodiaphers. Okay. Next is isosters. What is the next one? Isosters. Okay. So isosters are the molecules. Isosters are the molecules having same first number of atoms. Number of atoms should be same, and second, number of electrons also should be same. Okay, let us take CO2, let us take N2. Understood? So here how many atoms are there? 3 atoms. How many atoms are there? 3 atoms. And how many electrons are there? 2 plus, sorry, not 2, it is 6 plus 8 to 16, it is equal to 22. Okay, and here 14 plus 8, again we are getting 22. So isosters are molecules having same number of atoms and same number of electrons. They are called as isoster. Up to here, is it understood? So we have studied so many things. So I will try to give you one beautiful tabular form at the end. So be with me, stay with me, subscribe me, and give me a like and give me a share. Understood? So nuclear isomers, lot of requirements are there at which chem. Okay. So nuclear isomer means same mass, same atomic number, but energy, what should be there? Energy should be different. Okay. Suppose A is giving A, but main problem is they are losing gamma. So because of gamma, atomic number is going to be same, otherwise for confusion avoiding X and X. Atomic number is going to be same, mass number is going to be same, but energy of this nucleus is less than the energy of this nucleus. So these two are called as nuclear isomer. What they are called as? Nuclear isomer. Okay. So what we have studied first? Isotopes, isobar, isotones, isoelectronic, isodiaphers, isosters, isomers. Okay. So these are the topics we have studied. Isotopic, top should be same. What is the top? Mass number same. What should be the same? Mass number same. Isobar, sorry, mass number should be different. Okay. And atomic number should be same. Okay. Isobar, same mass number. Mass number, what it should be? Same. Isotone, neutrons are same, electrons are same, isotopic excess mass is same, isosters, number of atoms and number of electron in the molecule should be same. Nuclear isomer, energy of nucleus should be different. Okay. So that's all for the day. Introductory lecture of the nuclear chemistry. Wait for my next beautiful lecture about the radioactivity why radioactivity appears, what are the causes, and why radioactivity will reduce the increase the stability. Everything I am going to explain in my next lecture. Wait for my next lecture and give a like if not liked. Bye bye, see you.